Here, let us see the solved examples on the trigonometric functions. Now, here first example is verify that psi square of pi upon 3 radian minus cos square of pi upon 3 radian divided by cos square of pi upon 3 radian into cos square of pi upon 6 radian equal to cot square of pi upon 6 radian minus tan square of pi upon 6 radian. Now here we can verify these trigonometric functions. Verify. We can verify. Now here we have to find the values of trigonometric functions by using standard unit circle. And we know that there are the values. Now here angle of measure 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, 360. Now here 0 radian, pi upon 3 radian, pi upon 4 radian, pi upon 6 radian, pi upon 2 radian, pi upon 6, pi upon 4, pi upon 3, pi radian, 3 pi upon 2 radian and 2 pi radian. Now here we know the value of sine, cos and tan. Now here sine of 0, that is equal to 0, sine of 30, 1 upon 2, sine of 45, 1 upon e square root 2, sine of 60, e square root 3 divided by 2, sine of 90, 1, sine of 180, 0, sine of 270, that is equal to minus 1, and 360, 0. Now here the values of cos. Now here cos of 0, 1, cos of 30, e square root 3 upon 2, cos of 45, 1 upon e square root 2. Now here the cos of 60, 1 upon 2, cos of 90, 0, cos of 90, 0, cos of 180, minus 1, cos of 3 pi upon 2 means 270, 0, and cos of 360, that is equal to 1. These are values of trigonometric functions. These are the values of trigonometric functions for different measures. Now here, to verify, to solve this problem, we have to consider here left side. Now here, let LHS equal left side of the given problem. Now here left side is sine square of pi upon 3 radian minus cos square of pi upon 3 radian divided by cos square of pi upon 3 radian into cos square of pi upon 6 radian. Now here we have to put up the values. Now here sine of pi upon 3, let us see that sine of pi upon 3, that is in square root 3 divided by 2. It's square because we have sine square, minus cos of pi upon 3, where cos of pi upon 3, that is equal to 1 upon 2, so that 1 upon 2. Now we have cos square, so that it's square, divided by cos square of pi upon 3. Now we have pi upon 3, cos of pi upon 3, that is equal to 1 upon 2, its square, into cos of pi upon 6, that is in square root 3 divided by 2, its square. Now we are equal to in square root 3 divided by 2, that is its square, in square root 3, its square 3, 2 square 4, minus 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 4 multiplying 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Now here equal to, now here in numerator denominator is same, means this term is 2 divided by 4 divided by, in denominator there is a multiplication of these two terms, so that this term is equal to 3 divided by 60. 3 divided by 60. Now we are equal to 2 divided by 4 multiplied. Now here 3 divided by 16. It can be written as 16 divided by 3. Now here 4 4s are 16. Now we have these terms. LHS equal to 8 divided by 3. LHS equal to 8 divided by 3. Next, we have to find the value of RHS. Now we are write RHS, right hand side. In right hand side there is cot square of pi upon 2 its square radian minus tan square of pi upon 6 radian. Cot square of pi upon 6, cot square of pi upon 2 radian minus tan square of pi upon 6 radian. Now here we can put up the values. Now here let us see. This is the value of sine of pi upon 2. This is the value of cos of pi upon 2. We know that cot of pi upon 2, this term is equal to the cos of pi upon 2 divided by sine of pi upon 2, and this term is equal to, now we have cos of pi upon 2, that is 0, sine of pi upon 2 equal to 1, this term is equal to 0. Means this value is 0 its square minus tan of pi upon 6. We know that relation between trigonometric functions. Tan of pi upon 6 equal to the sine of pi upon 6 divided by cos of pi upon 6. Now here we put up the values. Now here sine of pi upon 6 1 upon 2, cos of pi upon 6 in square root 3 divided by 2, and this term is equal to 2 get cancelled, 1 upon in square root 3. Cot of pi upon 6. sorry here, the cot of pi upon 6. Cot of pi upon 6. Now here this term is equal to cot of pi upon 6 radian. Now here the cot of pi upon 6 equal to cos of pi upon 6 divided by sin of pi upon 6. Now here this value equal to cot of pi upon 6 cos of pi upon 6. This term is equal to in square root 3 divided by 2 divided by, now here 1 upon 2 1 upon 2. Now here 2 to get cancelled, this term is equal to in square root 3. Now here this term is equal to in square root 3 its square minus tan of pi upon 6 1 upon in square root 3 its square. This term is equal to in square root 3 square 3 minus 1 square 1 in square root 3 square 3. This term is equal to 9 minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 8 divided by 3. Equation number 2. By equation 1 and 2. By equation 1 and 2. Now here LHS equal to RHS. Hence true. LHS equal to RHS. Hence true. Now here we can solve the problems in exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Now your first problem is verify that here the first problem, cot square of 60 degree plus sin square of 45 degree plus sin square of 30 degree plus cos square of 90 degree equal to 13 divided by 12. Now let's see problem. Cot square of 30 degree plus sin square of 45 degree plus sin square of 30 degree plus cos square of 90 degree, that is equal to 13 divided by 12. Now we have to find the values. Now we have solution. We have to let cot square of 60 degree plus sin square of 45 degree plus sin square of 30 degree plus cos square of 90 degree equal to. Now here in this problem we have to put up the values of cot of 60, sin of 45, sin of 30 and cos of 90. We know the values from 0 to 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Values for sin, that is sin of 0, 0, sin of 30, 1 upon 2, Sine of 45 1 upon e square root 2. Sine of 60 e square root 3 divided by 2. Sine of 90 1. Now here cos of 0 1. Cos of 30 e square root 3 divided by 2. Cos of 45 1 upon e square root 2. Cos of 60 1 upon 2. And cos of 90, that is 0. Cos of 90 0. Now here in this problem there is cot of 60. Now here cot of 60 equal to cos of 60 divided by sin of 60. This term is equal to, now here see that cos of 60 equal to 1 upon 2. Sin of 60 equal to n square root 3 divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. This term is equal to 1 upon n square root 3. Now here we have to put up the values. Now here cot of 60, that 1 upon n square root 3. Now here square, it's square. Plus sin of 45. Now here see that sin of 45 equal to 1 upon e square root 2. Now here it's square. Plus sin of 30. Now here sin of 30 equal to 1 upon 2. So that 1 upon 2. Here it's square. It's square. Plus cos of 90. Now here cos of 90, that is equal to 0. So that 0 square. Now here firstly we can write the squares of given terms. Now here 1 square 1, e square root 3 square 3, plus 1 square 1, e square root 2 square 2, plus 1 square 1, e square the 2 square 4, plus 0 square, that is 0. Now we take the cross product. कुठले टर्म्स क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट घ्या किंवा या ठिकाणी हे जर तीन टर्म दिलेले आहेत 3 2 4 याचा एलसीएम घेऊ आणि या टर्मचा एलसीएम येईल 12 so that we can write denominator 12 3 divided by 4 that is 12 that is equal to 4 plus 2 divided by 12 6 multiplied with 1 6 plus 4 divided by 12 3 multiplied with 1 that is equal to 3 and this term is equal to 4 plus 6 10 plus 3 30 divided by 12 which is our required answer. Which is required answer. Now the next problem. Statement of the problem is same. Verify that. In this problem we can only put up the values of given trigonometric functions and then solve the problem. Next problem है now here sin square of 30 degree plus cos square of 60 degree plus tan square of 45 degree plus sec square of 60 degree minus cosec square of 30 degree that is equal to 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Let us see next problem. Sin square of 30 plus cos square of 60 degree plus tan square of 45 degree plus sec square of 60 degree minus cosec square of 30 degree. This term is equal to 3 divided by 2. Now here to solve problem, we can put up the value of sine of 30, cos of 60, tan of 45 and so on, then solve the problem. Now here, given problem is sine square of 30 degree plus cos square of 60 degree plus tan square of 45 degree plus sec square of 60 degree minus cosec square of 30 degree, that is equal to. Now here we can put up the values. Now here see, sine of 30 that is equal to 1 upon 2, so that 1 upon 2. Now here sine square है, so that it's square plus see here cos of 60 that is equal to 1 upon 2, so that 1 upon 2 is square plus now here tan of 45 equal to sine of 45 divided by cos of 45. 1 upon e square root 2, 1 upon e square root 2 get cancelled, remaining only 1, so that 1 square plus sec square 60. Now here we know that sec of 60 equal to 1 upon cos of 60. Now here cos of 60 equal to 1 upon 2. आणि या ठिकाणी 2 हा डिनॉमिनेटरच्या डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये आहे, म्हणजे तो न्यूमरेटर मध्ये आहे, सो दॅट इज स्क्वेअर मायनस cosec of 30 equal to 1 upon sin of 30. Now here sin of 30 equal to 1 upon 2 and distance equal to the 2 square. Now here equal to 1 upon 2 8 square, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 8 square, 1 upon 4 plus 1 plus 4 minus 4. Now here plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. 1 where denominator is same, so that this term is equal to 2 divided by 4 plus 1. Now here 2 where 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now here this term is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 equal to, consider that where denominator is 1. Now where 1 multiply with 1 plus 2 multiply with 1 2 divided by 2, distance equal to 3 divided by 2, and where the answer. Hence true. Hence true. Now our next example, that is verify that verify that 4 cot square of 30, 4 cot square of 30 degree plus 9 sin square of 60 degree minus 6 cosec square of 60 degree minus 9 divided by 4 tan square of 60 degree equal to 4. Now we will see this problem. 4 cot square of 30 degree plus 9 sin square of 60 degree minus 6 cos square of cosec square of 60 degree minus 9 divided by 4, tan square of 60 degree, that is equal to 4. Now here to solve this problem, process is same. We can only put up the values. Now here, let 4 cot square of 30 degree plus 9 sin square of 60 degree minus 6 cosec square of 60 degree minus 9 divided by 4 tan square of 60 degree equal to. Now we are see where cos of means we know that cot of 30 that is equal to cos of 30 divided by sin of 30. Now here cos of 30 is square root 3 divided by sin of 30 1 upon 2. Now here 2 to get cancelled, remaining is square root 3. The first value. Here sin of 60 degree, this term is equal to in square root 3 divided by 2. Next value है cosec square of cosec of 60. We know that cosec of 60 equal to 1 upon sin of 60. So that 1 upon in square root 3 divided by 2. Because sin of 60 equal to in square root 3 divided by 2. And this term is equal to 2 divided by in square root 3. Last, tan of 60 equal to sin of 60 divided by cos of 60. Now here sin of 60, this term is equal to in square root 3 divided by 2. Cos of 60 1 upon 2. Now here 2 to get cancelled, remaining only in square root 3. Now we can put up the values of cot of 30, sin of 60, cosec of 60, tan of 60 in this problem, so that 4 in bracket the cot of 30 that is in square root 3. Now here its square plus 9 in bracket sin of 60 in square root 3 divided by 2. Its square minus 6 into cosec square of 60, that 1 upon in square root 2, 2 upon in square root 3, its square minus 9 divided by 4, tan of 60, that in square root 3, its square. Now here solve these terms. In square root 3, its square that is equal to 3. 3 multiplied with 4, 12 plus in square root 3 divided by 2, its square 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 9 means this term is equal to 27 divided by 4. Minus, now here 6 multiplied with 4 divided by 3, 2 square 4 in square root 3 square, that 3. Now here this term is equal to the 24 divided by 3 minus now here 9 divided by 4 multiplied with 3, 27 divided by 4. 27 divided by 4. Now we have see here. Plus 27 divided by 4 minus 27 divided by 4 get cancelled. Now here 3 8s are 24. The remaining only 12 minus 8. This term is equal to 4. And where? This is our Arya. RHS hence 2.